Alright, Toolaholics, today we're going to do a review of the Bostich roofing gun. Quick disclaimer first, I'm not a roofer, probably because I can't afford the meth. So, you're not going to get an expert roofer review of this. Good news is, I don't have to put this in the pawn shop, and this one isn't stolen. Anyways, you got a depth dial here, so you can theoretically set your nail depth so that it's shallow enough to do nail-on vinyl siding. I don't think I would do that. I'd rather hand bang them and be sure of it, and I'm definitely not accurate enough with shooting the nails, so changing out a strip of nails is really easy. You got adjustment here. You adjust this little dial here for your different lengths of nails. It holds standard coils as standard roofing nails. It's got the wear pads, which are theoretically replaceable once they wear out. When you set a roofing gun down on asphalt shingles, then it's really abrasive and really tears the crap out of stuff. Ergonomics are just fine. It's not super light, it's not super heavy either. It shoots as quick as you want it to. As long as you shoot straight, it won't underdrive nails. It's really reliably shoots. Why did I choose the Bostich one? Well, it's the one I see all the roofers have, so they must know which gun is the good one. That's why I bought it. It's not prohibitively expensive. You can go buy like cheap no-name store brand ones for half the price, but you get what you pay for generally. It's bump fire all the time. If you want to select fire, you have to let go of the trigger and pull it down. There's no switch for select fire, so if you're probably don't hand this to a 5-year-old. It's reliable. It's jams very rarely, and the times that I have had a jam, I didn't have a very difficult time getting it apart to clear the jam out. Anyway, that's the Bostich roofing gun. Overall, I'd say it's a great tool, and if all the roofers are using them, then it must be the one to get. So I've used it a reasonable amount, not probably still less than your average roofer would shoot. Less nails than your average roofer would shoot in a week. Yeah, good gun. Price is reasonable. It's not super expensive. It's not super cheap. I like it.
If you enjoyed this review or found it useful, be sure to check out my channel for more cool tool reviews and more tool haul. If you hated this review or thought it was dumb, then feel free to call me an idiot in the comments. I'll be posting new tool reviews often, so be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell.